Hey, welcome back, guys. I ended up getting my new brakes in this week. So I picked up these brakes from EBC. I called the local Honda shop. They gave me a recommendation, went with EBC, and these are what I'm going to put back on the bike today. So stick around. So out of the box, these things are significantly better than the ones that were on there before, and they appear to fit quite a bit better than what the other ones did. I've got the holding area all cleaned up down here, so now I'm going to go ahead and fit these brake pads back in, or the brake shoes back in. So to get this on here, I'm going to make sure this is pointed forward. Just put it down. You can see those click in nice and neat there. So those are clicked in. Shove it down into place. Now, you should see that it's all in there. Now we're going to add the retaining pin and washer. So this just goes and sits down right there. This guy's going to slide in. I'll fold these around. Okay, now that we've got the brake pads installed again, we're going to go ahead and put them back onto the tire, lift the tire up, get this all put back together the way we pulled it off. So with that, this is just going to slide in here, nice and easy. Okay, now that we've got that back on, we'll go ahead and lift this tire back up and into place. There we go. Got the spacer installed here now. Now that I've got that installed, we're going to go ahead and slide the axle back through the axle rod. And this should, slid in super easy. Now that we got the axle installed, we're going to go ahead and get this pin down here installed. Once we get that installed, we'll move on to the brake line. Okay, now that we got this installed, we're going to go ahead and install this. That should just slide right on, just like so. Now that we've got this installed, we're going to go ahead and install its bolt. You just really want to be careful with this, like I mentioned in the other video. You don't want to mess up your threads. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and use this again. There, we got that down on there tight. Now we got that on there tight. I'm going to go ahead and bolt this back down, get that tightened up. Again, that's at 12. Last but not least, we can come in here and adjust the brakes here and get it to where we want. I'm going to do that, but that should show you how we get all that put back together. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.